Baliktad. Baliktad. So, dito na. Para letad. Thank you po. Someone sending that. Thank you so much. Sir Jamie, good morning. Good morning, Sir Jamie. He miss rice farmer. Aray ko. Rice farmer. Morning po. Rice farmer. I was glad you showed me rice field the other day. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Thank you po. Welcome. Hola. Hi, Alessandro. Thank you, Sir Jamie po. Matias. Hi, Matias. Love a day. Laundry day. Sorry, y'all. Sir Fred, hello, Mrs. Roller. Good morning, Mrs. Roller. Good morning, Sir Fred. Adam. Diddigit, though with planting, yeah. Yes, po, Sir Jamie. Hey, Fred from Sir Jamie. Yes po, Sir Jamie. That's good. Yes po. They need to keep planting rice is live. Rice is live. It is laundry day. Yes po. Good morning, laundry depot, Sir Derek Johns. Everyone, like and subscribe. Thank you po. Hi, Eric. Hello, Adam. Hi, did you make your appointment the other day? Yes po. I have. Yes po, we have a meeting. That time, Sir Fred, Sir Jamie, 1:30 at the afternoon. Yes po. Sir Fred, so far, two rolls said they love you. Hula, Marco, they love me. Hello, Sir Cheryl. Good morning po. Sir Ben, Mac, Kevin, Mac, Hannah, hi. Why you love me, Rosika? Rosika. Tell me where the road starts, cause it's breaking. She love you. Thank you for loving me, guys. Thank you so much. You were muddy that day, yes. Yes, I washed that time. But I washed, boss. Thank you, Sir Ben. It's okay to be muddy. Hi, Ramco. Cleaver. Thank you, Sir Ben. That day I'm muddy, yeah. But hope you understand me. My God. But I wash. I wash with soap. Fragrance soap. With fragrance. Muddy.
Paparoon kayo din na anak, kagalitan natin. As? As? Assignment kita niyan. Kaya kung may klase ka mo doon. Kaya kung may eskwela ka mo doon. Kasi kasuhon mo yun yan. Kaya kung mag-check doon sila mga may klase ka mo, hindi ka na nakakasason. Pwede makisaksak ka. Ay, ate. Eh, dami na oras na dyan. Nagbugamit tabi. Nakaligod na ang aga. Nakaligod kami sa Abi mo na isang bulusan. Sandangkalan. Tangkalan. Hindi yun. Sa bulusan. Tangkalan. Tapos ang dilibaga.
Oh, thank you 47 million. Mike surrendered his boycott fast yesterday. Fred, I really enjoyed the shirt you've been putting out. Good morning, Fred, from Sir Dwayne. Hey, Dwayne, morning here. Hi, Polana. Good morning po, Sir Dwayne. Good afternoon to you. Good morning here. How are you? I'm fine po. You're welcome, Sir Bernard. Thank you so much po. Master Charger. Elias Gunval. Thanks, Twin. I'm only learning how to do them. Nobody, Fred, Mike, just give up on the boycott situation.
Ano ka ni Mama? Ash? Ash? Ano na? Ay, naulit na ako kay Mama pang-iap sa hindi. Kasi na si Ila? Kung doon may klase ka mo. Ay, nakaantay ka man, son. Post na niya. Ika na isang post. Mo yun ang post. Isang araw. Alin, sige pa. Mo yun ang post. Hindi ako nagsabi si Paro. Kaya Paro. Paro G.
Ay, basta at sukar mo.
Yadi ho, ini. Kaya naman ang gamit. Kaya nakaroon sa nilagamit mo yun eh. is na nun mali ka doon nila. Ang bilang susulat ko.
Oh my God. Wow. Nano ba yun? Good morning, Chester. Joycey boy, nothing compared to New York. My God. Good morning po, Sir Chester. Fred, well, I'm sure if there was a couple cases of bear involved somewhere. He said Monty Bear. Monty Bear. Big Lon. Hi, Big Lon. Thank you for joining here again. Ahmad. Nital Fantasy Lupa. What I guess? Remedy. Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Big Lon. Mr. Charger. Thank you. Really, I'm so cute. Isaiah Salva Luis. Thank you so much, Big Lon. Mainit na ito. Hello from Italy. Hi. Sir, you're real. I'm fine pa. Di Natsuko. Randy, I'm fine. How about you? Master Charger, hello. Sister, is this? No, she's my niece. She's my niece. FP4, hi. FP417. Hello po. Asayas, more kipais. So, oh, thank you for the likes. 31 likes. Thank you for hit the likes po. I got. It's cold here. Oh, really? It's cold. I like New Zealand. It's very, beautiful country. One of the beautiful country. Master Charger. Isaiah. Jose Salva, hello. Jose. Francisco. Hi, Jose. Jose as ano daw? Unang ko daw, parang may tao. Kuya Dre, morning, Kuya. What's for breakfast? Pansit Canton. Morning po, Sir Kuya Dre. Thank you. I can talk. Why I can talk? You can talk. Breakfast for Pansit Canton with egg. Evening Dre. Hi, Donks. 19. Sir Donks, thank you for joining. I wish I could be with you. Really? Mr. Charger, hello young lady making a drink. Are you? No? I'm Ramnia. Hello. Japan, Isaias. What you mean? I will take very good care of you. Nice to meet you. Take care. I have to go to work. Thank you, Mr. Charger, for Charger 1972. Thank you for joining po, Mr. Charger. Jose. So, bye. Bye. You're so beautiful and special. I wish I could be with you. Tago. Tago. The woman who excites me is a special woman. Really. Cherry Pergay. Hi po. It would be a nice to caress. Oh my god. Oh my kulay. I love stroking. Oh! Bye. Bye. Thank you, Mr. Charger, for joining po. God bless. Musika ang aking Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Tirinang dahilan kung bakit ka love by Ruben. Good morning, Ruben. Morning. Thank you po. Oh my God, 40 likes. Thank you, Kuya Tikar, my friend. Later, guys. In Jollibee, I'm working. Tikar, Kuya Dre. God bless po. Victor from Argentina. Hi. Hi, Victor. Good morning, Ruben. Sadoshis. Hello, Sadoshis. Letter. Thank you so much, Kuya Dre. God bless, Kuya Taker. Good morning po. Hi, Sir Don. Good morning, Sir Don. Mititigan. Good morning. Mititigan. Mititigan. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Good morning, Mititigan. From Turkey. Too much love. Will kill you. Joke. Jose. Did you sleep well? Yes po, Sir Don. I sleep well. Thank you po. Victor. Thank you, Victor. Samsung. Hey, Samsung. Okay. Thank you. I'll be. The love we said. Kung bakit meron ka lang natagpuan ng isang katulad ko. Kung bakit na nakilala sana mo. Thank you, Sir Gwen. Coffee is life. Yes, for me, coffee is life. Sir Don. Alim Guzom. Hi po. Alim Guzom. Hey, Sir Thomas. How are you? I thank you so much po, Sir Thomas, for joining here again from Denmark. Mititigan. Mititigin talaga. Are you with your family? Yes po. I'm with my family. With my father. Those are my father and my mother. Here's my father. Where? Where? My father. My mother. I'm fine po. Mititigan.
naman no, kay patong-patong na yun. Nakakita ko naman. Patong-patong.
21. Come on, let's sit po. Pansit Canton. Pansit Canton. Alam. Hector. Hi, Hector. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Abiyet, abiyet. Ano yun? Aray. You are very good daughter, taking care of dad and mom. Not many do that. Ano, it's normal being because responsible. No one can take care of them. Family member do that. Thank you, Makay. Santosh. Hello. Good morning. Yagis. Yagis. Hey, Yagis. Morning. Agra? Where Agra? Where is that? Wish I'm there working with you. Eh. Here in Denmark and many other countries, the elderly come to the care home when they cannot fend for themselves. Oh my God. No, no. I don't like better to family member take care of their parents. Yes. Here need to take care of the parents because when we kids, they are take care of us. So you need to turn back the care and the love they give us when we're not able to know the world like walk, because one day you can't work when you're getting old like when you kids. That's why they said when you give, you give it to return. You can receive it at return. And different lang, oh my God, different culture. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Shamrock, welcome po Shamrock. Lovely Aquarius lady. Sir Shamrock, thank you for joining po. Thank you. If even you are busy, you join here. Thanks a lot. Uh, busy life. A Pansit Canton. Busy life. Yes, pancit for breakfast and then coffee. Noodles. So noodles. Yeah, yummy. I think it's coffee meat maybe because 3 in 1 like coffee, a creamer, milk, creamer, sugar. I know the one. 12:40 here. Oh my God. So wake up. Good night, everyone. Good night po. Good night, Shamrock. Thank you, Shamrock. Have a nice day. Thank you. Sleep well.
Ah! Pag-inod sa pagbalik.
Shamrock, good night. Take care from Sir Dwayne. Ubusan na. Maharang-harang yung kaya mo. Angkat ko na dito sa inyo. Para makaupo ikaw. Udan. Upo mo na. Mijay. Gali na.